Good morning, everybody. Hey, how we doing, folks? Crypto, Dan, Indy, Trader's Chick, Ziller Trading, Wendell, Dan. I already said Dan. Hey, good morning, Jerry. 8:30, there was news. We had news at 8:30. How we doing, folks? How are we doing? Let's have a good day. Let's have us a good day. Yeah, more news at 10. Yep. Hey, nice, Jerry. Up 400 already? Let's go. All right. The main thing we're going to try and do today is salvage this 150K tick profit account. That's the only thing we're doing today. We're just going to try and salvage this account. So, it should be an interesting day. We're definitely going to be aggressive, but we're not going to be too crazy. But yeah, we're definitely going to be somewhat aggressive. Hey, good morning, Op Man, Crypto Monster, and Ralph. Yeah, the big news last night, obviously, a couple things. Apex has an 80% sale again. Thank goodness. Much needed. And the other thing was the My Funded Forex news. The regulators stepping in. Now, there's a lot of, I'm going to probably get asked this question 100 times today. But there's a lot of misinformation, or at least, yeah, people are going to use this to kind of spew some misinformation, but it is what it is. But if you're unfamiliar, My Funded Forex, their accounts were frozen, and the SEC is stepping in, and they need to, from what I gathered, basically they need to change some things in order to, it's going to become more regulated with the Forex. Now, from the research I've done, it's more about the Forex community, the Forex, and it really doesn't have as much to do with actually prop firms as it does about Forex and MFF specifically. And I guess they have a year to comply with the, I'm not sure what to call it, but the demands or what they need to change. But in reality, guys, hey, good morning, Esther. In reality, regulation is actually a good thing, like, in my opinion. And especially with the Forex. And I've been saying this I've been saying this for a while. The Forex community, the Forex trading industry is like, that needs to be regulated. That 100% needs to be regulated. And the way that they have it now is the reason why I don't trade Forex, and I wouldn't trade Forex, is just because of how unregulated that Forex industry is. And there's just too many different cases and instances from people where there's shady things going on. So I don't know. Hopefully this will help that, but but regardless, I mean, even if regulation does come, it's good because it basically will hold prop firms accountable and make sure that there's not any funky business going on. And the only prop firms that have something to worry about are the ones that are doing some shady stuff. But obviously a lot of people are freaking out on it and just speculation running wild. Which makes, I mean, understandably. Forex companies are scam. I mean, they're probably not all scams, Matty Matt, but yeah, that's how I feel. I don't trust them. I just don't. I don't trust. The reason I don't trust him is because of how it's been proven, repeatedly proven, that the Forex brokers work directly with influencers. Like people that are trading Forex, like there's just been too many instances where the people are working directly with an influencer or a YouTuber or whatever it may be. They're working directly with them and they're wiping, like literally from the server, they're wiping their bad trades out. And it's just to represent and make things look like they're not. And it's just terrible. It's terrible for the industry. And I hope that portion of it does get regulated. All right, what take profit is not good compared to Apex and Top Step? Hey, Brian. Good morning. I mean, that's your opinion. I think, yeah, Apex I still think is the best prop firm. I mean, it's pretty clear, and that's I still feel that way. I think between Take Profit and Top Step, if I had to choose, I would choose Take Profit because of their payout policy and also the end of day drawdown. Now that I understand it fully, the end of day drawdown for Take Profit is way better than the end of day drawdown for Top Step. Hey, F-Day Trader. Yep, 80% off is back. Good morning, Tar Heel. Good morning. Brian, you bought the 50K Eval, was up 615 first day, and then you hit the $1,100 drawdown limit next day. Is what? Ken Huang, what happened with Apex payout list? You just checked and it got wiped out. Shouldn't be. Now, that list is like a really big data file. So right when you open that list, you usually have to let it populate and download for 10 minutes or so. That might be what's happening, Ken Huang. So that might be it. You did that and it's still blank? Let me check. Maybe something is wrong. Hey, we have our first overreaction. Visual trader. Overreaction Andy. We're going to have a lot of those today. Just get ready. Hey, had an epiphany. 20 accounts times 200 a day. That is the goal for the next year. there you go, Russ. That's what I've been saying. Like 20 accounts, even just do the math, Russ, with 20 accounts and average $40 of profit a day. Just do the math on that. You know, if you average, obviously not always, maybe aim for $100 and then, you're going to have some losses. Just ain't right. No, the red dots and green dots are just big buy orders. They're the big buyers coming in is what that is. All right, I need to check this spreadsheet. Hey, good morning, Kid Poker. Good morning. It's empty all day, FD Trader. Huh. Yeah, Dennis, pretty much. Yep. And it's an adaptive. So the reason I like this is it's adaptive. So it looks at the current it looks at the current volume and it adapts according to the current volume, and then it'll adapt that. Yeah, if that makes sense. That probably doesn't make sense, but this is ATAS. This is what you're seeing here, and it also allows you to drill down. You scroll in, you can see a volume profile of each bar and a footprint chart as well, if you like that. They have a 14-day free trial if you want to try them out. Hey, Russ, you like my video? Thank you. I appreciate that. But yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, I was shocked how much of a difference in payouts Top Step is versus Apex. It's just, they're not even in the same ballpark right now. Kid Poker, no, I'm using this chart to trade the take profit account. I didn't see you yesterday. But we're just trading this take profit account and it's on life support. So we're going to try and pass it. We're kind of just taking a break from trading the funded accounts on Apex because I don't know. Right now, I don't know. I don't feel like I'm ready. Also, I'm trying to, there's a chance I might take a week-long break. I might take a week break just to almost go down back to the basics of price action trading and watch a lot of videos and just kind of, I don't know, refresh my mind. Wait, 70% off at Earn to Trade, Garcia? Are you serious? Yeah, yeah, you're right, Russ. And that is a big deal. That makes a big difference, Russ, but that's why that makes a big difference. And that's kind of the reason why I think Apex is a better option than Top Step, because they do allow you to have 20 accounts. Until September 30th, Garcia. Hey, that is good to know, Garcia. And I might, that to me is almost worth taking. Does that include all of the, what do I want to say? All of the courses? Yes, TCP and Gauntlet. Wow, that's a really good deal, actually. That's impressive. Because once you pass, unless they changed it, Garcia, but isn't it once you pass, you don't have an activation fee when you do the Gauntlet? I don't think. Thanks for letting me know, Garcia. That's impressive. Okay. Who was saying okay, F-Day Trader. I double checked the spreadsheet for Apex, the payout. Are you talking about Apex, not the Top Step one, I assume, right? I just checked it and everything is showing up for me. Everything seems to be okay on my side. F-Day Trader, so I'm not sure the problem. I'm not sure why it wouldn't show up for you, but everything on my end looks good. Yeah, on the Apex one, that's the one I checked, and everything looks good on my end. Maybe, I mean, did you try downloading it and opening it that way? Hey, Harshal, good morning. Yeah, it's kind of crazy, FD Trader. I don't know what's going on. That's weird. Everything looks good on my end. Is anyone else having issues with the Apex payout spreadsheet? Yeah, Garcia, I was kind of curious. I want to get your opinion on that. What's your thoughts? Wait, so no, for you, it's empty as well? What? Why? How is that possible? Hey, I don't know. Empty list for null. Huh. Hey, good morning. Yeah, John, 100% agree. Yours is empty as well. I don't understand. Is it empty when you download it and then open it with an Excel, or is it empty when you try to open it through the browser? You're talking about the on the website. Wait. Oh, you're talking about the Apex site. Okay, did you guys see so this morning this is kind of funny. Okay, sorry, F-Day Trader. Oh man, I completely was not copying what you were saying. Um, where do you find the payout download? Hang on, I can share it with you. I can just put it in chat. Hang on, give me a second. Hmm. Hey, we're open for business, folks. We are open for business. Sorry, guys. Give me a second. I'll post it in here. And guess what? I forgot to put my time up again. Every day never fails. I forget that. Okay, right there's the Apex payout summary spreadsheet. But okay, what I was saying is, did anyone else notice? So, well, I guess you wouldn't notice. It was just in a so Apex usually releases a video, and it's usually only for the affiliates. And in that video, John from Apex was just going over some things, and he went to the website. He went to the Apex website to show where you can see the payout list. So I noticed when he went to that list, it was just blank, and he was like, "Oh, so Apex knows that there's an issue with it." And he was like, "Oh, it looks like we got to fix. It looks like we have an issue with the payout list." But yeah, right now it's just blank. Now, I'm assuming that's just a glitch. I'm assuming it's just a glitch, and that will be fixed. If it isn't, I'm not going to be happy. Hey, good morning, Doug. Expectation, wait for a pullback at the open and look for the 15,800 area. That we're thinking the same, Garcia. I'm hoping for a pullback down to like right here, this 580 level. 580 or 66, 65 level right here. I am interested in getting long right there. 570s. All right, seeing a little bit of a bounce here. Hey, got a new PA this morning. Let's go, Doug. Are you trade the open? Yes, money. You are allowed to trade the open. If that might not be recommended, but you're allowed to. Oh, nice design. You have a fresh, brand new 150K account. Let's go. Vision 1. I don't know, Vision. You have to do the math yourself. You have to decide for yourself. Okay, making a push higher here. And now pulling back. Ooh, big pullback. All right, we're getting close to where I want to get in at. This is going to be a scaling okay, I'm going to get in here. We're going to have a pretty loose stop here. Down to the 60s. How low will she go? Ooh. See if this 62 will hold. If this doesn't hold, then I might need to look for another entry here. Ugh. 47.48 is kind of our that's the previous day close. Man, this is feeling pretty heavy here. Need this to bounce right here. Okay, we gotta. This is where I would add potentially if it holds. Wow. All right. No bounce. No bounce whatsoever. We might just have to take an L here. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Come on, get this thing popping. Now the question is this gonna test the lows again before we go higher or not? Okay, there we go. All right, this is going to be important here. If we retest the lows at the right here, the 540s. Oof. Okay. Man, oh man, we're This is what I hate about holding so long. Might need to get out when we have news in 15 minutes. All right, I'm getting out. I don't want to hold through news. Looks like we got our work cut out for us today. Man. Oh. And down we go. Looks like we're going to test the 500 level, the overnight low. 500s, here we come. All right, will this 500 hold? I mean, we have news coming out in 10 minutes, or I'd like to take a shot here. I guess, I don't know. I don't really want to trade the news. All right, 500s. Here it is. Through the... Wow. Wow, what a big... What a dump. What a dump this morning. I thought we retrace and then I thought we'd go higher. I was wrong. Getting a bounce right off of that 500 level. Straight back down. Wow. News and oh, I forgot to put up my clock. All right, there we go. Okay, we just wait here. I really want to get in here though. Perfect double bottom here. Might look to just scalp a little bit on this. Probably a little bit too biased this morning. Still think we're going high. But that's what happens when you're biased and you let that affect your entries and your trading. But at the same time, sometimes you gotta stick to your plan and do your plan, and sometimes you're just wrong. Come on. What time is it? 9. We have 7 minutes to go. I think we can get a nice pop going here, maybe. Ugh. Maybe not. I guess not. Okay. We need to wait. Be patient. There was a big seller at 650, Gary. Yeah. Hey, if you caught that move down, that was awesome. Do 80% discount like Apex. Hondo, no, they are only offering a 50% off right now. That's the most that I know of. Hey, if you caught a lot of it, Gary, that's what matters. All right. This market's going to make a fool of me today, I see. You'll love to see it. All right, news in 5 minutes. News in actually 4 minutes. Nice, Ina. Yeah, design. I want to make sure I don't get too gun shy here just because I'm still looking for longs. It just is what it is. I'm looking for longs. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I still think I don't know that maybe we don't test the highs, but now I should have just hung into that trade a little bit more. That last tick below the other candle low is it's what got me. Oh my gosh. Typical.